Welcome. In today's video, I'll walk you through the simple steps on how to delete a post on Instagram. Whether you shared something by mistake, changed your mind, or just want to clean up your profile, removing a post only takes a few moments. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping on your profile picture icon that appears in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your feed, where all your uploaded photos, videos, and reels live. Next, scroll through your profile and find the post you want to delete. Tap on the post so it opens up in full view. It could be a photo, a video, or even a carousel of multiple images. Once the post is open, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 dots lined up horizontally. Go ahead and tap on those dots to open the menu options. Now, from the menu that appears, you'll notice several choices like hide, like count, share, or copy link. The option we're focusing on here is delete. Tap on it once. You'll then get a confirmation pop-up asking if you're sure you want to delete the post. This is Instagram's way of double-checking, because once a post is gone, it can't be restored. To move forward, simply tap delete again on the confirmation screen. After a moment, the post will disappear from your profile completely. That's it. You've successfully deleted a post on Instagram. This process works the same for photos, videos, and carousel posts, so you can repeat the exact steps whenever you feel the need to clean up your feed. It only takes a few taps, and you're in full control of what stays visible on your page. Deleting posts can be useful if you want to refresh your profile, remove old content, or just make sure your feed reflects exactly what you want to share. Now that you know how to do it, managing your Instagram content is easier than ever. And that's all there is to it.